Today we are going to unbox this Propex HS2000 and see what's actually in the box. Let's get started. The hoses. All right, here's everything that's in the box. You got your instructions for your layout. You got your two wiring harnesses. This one's for the power for the unit. This one goes to the controller. You have your instruction sheet. You have your controller or this digital thermostat. You have your exhaust pipe and your combustion intake pipe. You have the ductwork for your hot air. You have your intake and output vents. This collar adapts the air vent to the air tube. You have a couple of mounting things for your exhaust. You have mounting for the unit to set it off the ground. Hardware, 5-amp fuse, a couple of spade connectors for the fuse, some zip ties, your gas inlet, which goes to a 1/4-inch copper tube, and your hose clamps for all the hoses. Based on everything provided, the only thing else you need to install this heater is a propane line going into this and 12 volts going into the unit. Now that we've seen what is included in the kit, we will get ready for the installation. That video will be coming soon. If you found this unboxing useful, feel free to like and subscribe, and join us for the rest of the build.